Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Ultimate in white frost. This truck is powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Sierra, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding siding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push to start ignition, dual zone climate control, integrated trailer braking can be found here in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Denali Ultimate, starting off with the rear dual 18-inch wheels paired up with Michelin Primacy XC tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles, Denali HD badges on the doors, chrome-capped mirrors with LEDs, Ultimate, Allison, and Duramax plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked-out GMC badge in the center of the grille, chrome recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights, LED overcab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around, automatic step assist come once the doors are open and retract once the doors are closed. Side steps are built into both sides of the box. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, towing packages installed, single exit exhaust, Sierra, Denali, and blacked-out GMC badges can all be found here on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the Sierra, back seats here have in-seat storage. They're also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have two cup holders, the heated seats controls, and two USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Ultimate. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.